Today we're talking all about ironing, and I don't mean your clothes, I'm talking about ironing your 3D prints. 3D printing has come a long way in providing high quality, smooth surface 3D prints, but some imperfections can come out when you're working with smooth surfaces. And one of the techniques to improve your quality of 3D prints is ironing. I'm Rod DeLuca, and this is Make or Build It, and today we're talking about why ironing is so important in creating smooth prints, especially on flat surfaces. And we're going to show you how to utilize ironing in the Bambu Labs application in order to create smooth surfaces. What is ironing in 3D printing? Ironing is a post-production technique that smooths the top of your 3D print. During the ironing process, the printer head moves over the top surface of the model without extruding any filament or extruding very small amounts of filament, pressing down slightly and smoothing out the topmost layer. This technique is especially effective on flat areas as it reduces the layer lines and leaves a clean finished surface. Now, why is ironing so important? It smooths the top surface, making your print much more even. It improves the aesthetic of your print and eliminates some of the layer lines. It also helps with better fit and finish of functional parts. It minimizes your post-production work, so there's less to clean up at the end of your 3D print. How is ironing used in the Bambu Labs app? First, open your model in the Bambu Lab Studio, choose your filament type, and set your printer quality level as usual. Navigate to the ironing feature. In the print setting panels, find the ironing option. Configure the ironing settings. Enable ironing. Toggle the ironing feature to on. Set the ironing flow. This determines how much filament, if any, will be extruded while ironing. You can leave this at its default for most projects, but if you're working with very delicate prints, reducing the flow can help. Ironing speed. Adjust the ironing speed at which the printer head moves while ironing. Slower speeds often result in finer finishes, but this will increase print time. Ironing patterns. Common options include concentric patterns or zigzag lines. Experiment with these settings to achieve the best result for your specific model. And all you need to do now is slice and print. What are some of the best practices in order to get the perfect settings for your print while using ironing? Make sure you're ironing a flat surface. Ironing is most effective on flat surfaces. For more complex and curved shapes, ironing won't offer much improvement and can even detract from your overall printing quality. Experiment with flows and speeds. Different filaments and models will respond differently to ironing. Take the time to experiment with various flow rates and speeds to see what works best for your project. Combine ironing with other techniques. For best results, consider using ironing alongside other post-processing techniques such as sanding or polishing for an even smoother finish. Ironing is a simple technique that can enhance the appearance and the quality of your 3D prints. By smoothing out the surface, ironing reduces the amount of post-processing, making this a tool you really want to use for your 3D prints. For more on 3D printing, DIY, or maker projects, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It, and remember, keep on making.